Are you looking for help to fix or upgrade your broken gadgets? Do you want a quick and easy service in sending and receiving money via smart padala, Gcash and paymaya? FGK Athancom General Merchandise is the best place to visit, located at Building C St. Augustine Street, Poblacion 2, Tanza, Cavite. They offer the best service when it comes to your gadgets, from cell phones, laptops and desktops repair and upgrade. They also offer quality and affordable cell phone accessories, and a one-stop shop comes to printing, lamination, photocopying, watch repair, music and movie downloads and many more. Let's solve your problem now. Visit FGK Athancom General Merchandise.